Microsoft Power Apps is Microsoft's low-code platform for building custom business applications without traditional programming. It integrates seamlessly with the entire Microsoft ecosystem, letting you create everything from simple data collection forms to complex workflow management systems that connect with your existing Office 365 and Azure infrastructure. Key features. Here's what actually matters. Two distinct app types. Model-driven apps built around data tables with automatic forms and views, plus Canvas apps where you control every pixel of the user interface. Native Dataverse integration stores your data securely with built-in relationships and business logic. AI Copilot Assistance helps you build apps from business requirements and even suggests table structures with relationship diagrams. Seamless Office 365 integration connects directly to SharePoint, Teams, Outlook, and Excel. Thousands of connectors link to external systems like Salesforce, SAP, virtually any API. Mobile responsive design ensures your apps work perfectly on phones and tablets. The platform also includes Power Automate integration for automated workflows, advanced security controls with role-based permissions, and real-time collaboration where multiple developers can work simultaneously. If you're finding this helpful so far, please subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Now let's move on to pricing. Microsoft Power Apps offers three main plans. Power Apps Developer Plan, which is completely free, gives you a developer account to build and test unlimited apps or automation flows. You get 3 developer environments, pre-built custom, and on-premises connectors. 2 GB Microsoft Dataverse database entitlement and up to 750 automation flows per month. Power Apps Premium costs $20 per user monthly, paid yearly, and enables licensed users to build, modernize, and deploy unlimited applications. This includes unlimited Power Apps and Power Pages for assigned users, pre-built custom and on-premises connectors, plus Dataverse entitlements of 250 megabyte database and 2 gigabyte file storage. Power Apps Premium with 2,000 seat minimum drops to $12 per user monthly, paid yearly, and is best for businesses wanting unlimited apps for their users with a minimum purchase of 2,000 licenses. You get the same unlimited Power Apps and Power Pages, connectors, and Dataverse entitlements as the standard premium plan. For enterprise customers, Microsoft 365 E3 at $36 monthly per user includes basic Power Apps functionality, while E5 at $57 monthly adds premium features. Office 365 Business Premium at $22 monthly includes limited Power Apps capabilities for smaller organizations. Pros. Integration with Microsoft ecosystem is genuinely seamless. If you're already using Office 365, everything just works together. Dataverse provides enterprise-grade data storage with automatic backups and security. AI Copilot significantly reduces development time, especially for non-technical users. Model-driven apps generate professional interfaces automatically from your data structure. Massive connector library means you can integrate with virtually any business system. Cons. Learning curve is steeper than advertised. Low code still requires an understanding of databases and business logic. Licensing costs add up quickly for larger teams, especially with premium connectors. Canvas apps require significant design skills to look professional, and performance can be sluggish with complex applications or large data sets. Vendor lock-in makes it difficult to migrate away from Microsoft's ecosystem. So in conclusion, Microsoft Power Apps is better for organizations already invested in the Microsoft ecosystem who need custom business applications without hiring expensive developers. If you're managing data in SharePoint, using Teams for collaboration, and need apps that integrate seamlessly with Office 365, it delivers exceptional value. However, startups or companies using non-Microsoft tools might find the licensing costs prohibitive and the learning curve steeper than expected. The platform shines when you need enterprise-grade security and compliance, but simpler alternatives exist for basic app development needs. Ready to explore Power Apps? You can find useful links in the description below for free trials and getting started guides. Thanks for watching.